Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Crystal, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be a natural hairstyle video. I went live a few days back and I wore my natural hair. If you're new to the channel, recently I did a big top because I used to wear a lot of wigs, but I used to install it using the bald cap method, and I recently learned that that method is not for me. So I stopped using the bald cap method and I'm doing it without it, just to allow my edges to breathe and so they grow out again. So my hair is still short and I'm just combing it out, and I'm applying Cantu, the moisturizer, so it could be a little bit more manageable. Now that it's natural, it's a little bit more difficult for me to handle, really. I'm not used to being natural, but I'm working on it. Alright, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of water so I can comb it out, just to stretch the hair, because I've been lying on it for a while now, so it kind of looks a bit shorter than it really is. So I'm just combing it out, and my hair is growing real fast. My edges are coming back and I'm so happy. Like, I feel so good. I can actually style it. It's not all the way there, but it's almost there. I'm so happy. I thought I lost them forever, girl. But I'm happy they're coming back. So here I'm just going to apply my Cantu edge control. Majority of the products that I will be using to actually style my hair is Cantu, or you know, just cheap products that you'll be able to find easily accessible at your local hair store or your pharmacy even. So I'm just gonna use the edge control just to lay the front. Alright, so I think I'm done with the edge control on this side, and I'm gonna start brushing it out now. So I'm gonna grab my hard brush. There's hard bristles on there, and I'm just gonna brush it kind of like in a swooping motion. Until it's laid how I like it. Alright, so I'm just gonna try and get that part to be a little bit more visible. I'm gonna do this side. So I'm gonna grab my comb and kind of brush it or comb it more on the side. And I'm grabbing my edge control again and just kind of placing it in the parts where it's needed and where you want it to lay flat. And for this part, you can choose to use gel, but with this hair of mine, I figured edge control gives me a little bit more friction than the gel. If I use gel in my hair, I have to dry it, and I really wasn't for waiting that long. The edge control does a pretty good job on my hair. But it's your preference. You can use gel, whatever's easier for you. So to prevent any frizzies, I'm gonna go in with my Got2b holding spray, and I'm just gonna sleek back the hair a little bit more. So basically it's the same process with this side. You just add your edge control and use your brush to kind of sleek it back how you would like it style. Yeah. So I'm gonna grab my comb and just kind of comb out the back just to make it a little bit more pronounced because it was a bit flat. Alright, so now it's time to finesse my baby hairs, and there is already edge control in there, so I'm not gonna go in with a second trip of edge control. I'm just gonna finesse it with my comb. Just try to get this laid as possible and style it as you would like. So again, to prevent any frizzies, I'm gonna hit it up with some spritz, some pump it up spritz on the front, because I really want that front to look as polished as possible. And for the back, we're gonna go in with our mousse. So I'm just using my Lotta Body mousse just to kind of activate my curls. Get it looking right, you know. Alright, now finally, we're gonna grab our black strip and just kind of tie it in place. And I usually use two, one side from the back and one side from the front. And we're gonna let it sit for just about 10 minutes. At this point, you can use your blow dryer if you would like it, you know, to dry a bit quicker. It's whatever you choose, but I was not that busy, so I let it air dry. I'm just going over it again with a little bit of foaming just to make the back pop a little bit more, make it a little bit more pronounced. Alright, and this is the final product. It is so simple but cute and very easy to do. I kid you not, I really didn't take a lot of time to do this hairstyle. You can sleep on it and just comb it out in the morning and you're good to go. If you love this video, y'all don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you know when your girl posts videos. But thanks for watching. Stay cute. Bye.